Good morning, students. We will start with our unit first, which is reproduction. This unit includes 4 chapters. The first is reproduction in organisms, which basically explains about the definition, types and various terms which is related to reproduction, which will be used in the further chapters. Second chapter is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Third chapter is human reproduction, and the last chapter is reproductive health. So we will start our chapter first, that is reproduction in organisms. In previous classes we have studied about the definition of reproduction. Reproduction, that is the special ability of all the living organisms by which they reproduce the offsprings of their own kind. Now the question is, why reproduction is important? So, reproduction is important because through this process, all the living organisms maintain their existence on earth, as well as they can increase their number just to maintain that process. So, the role of reproduction is, the very first is to maintain their existence on earth, and second one is to increase their number. So, these are the roles of reproduction. So, before going in brief about the reproduction term, first we should know that the time duration in between birth and death, that is called lifespan. That means it is the time which starts from birth till death. And this lifespan, that also contains 4 different phases. First phase, that is the birth phase, which is also called the formation stage. Second one, that is the juvenile phase. This juvenile phase is basically the phase in which all the living organisms attain the sexual maturity or reproductive potential. That is why this phase is called juvenile phase. Third phase is called reproductive phase. That means now the living organism is capable to reproduce. Fourth stage, that is called aging. That means at that time all the living organisms lost their sexual maturity. That means they are not capable to reproduce. So in the case of humans as well as the animals, this term is called aging, and for plants we use a special term which is called senescence. The very last phase of lifespan, that is called death. So altogether lifespan contains 5 phases. First is birth, second is juvenile phase, third is reproductive phase, fourth is aging or senescence, and the fifth one, that is death. Every individual regarding all the living organisms having varieties of lifespan. Some of having the shortest lifespan, some of have the largest lifespan. So we will discuss only about the shortest one as well as the largest one. So the shortest lifespan known, that is 1 day. For example, mayfly. It's an insect whose lifespan, that is 1 day of 24 hours. Even the duration between the reproductive phase till death, that is 1 day up to 5 to 6 minutes. So that is the shortest lifespan even in animals, ever known in animals. The largest lifespan, we will discuss separately about the animals as well as the plants. So in animals, the lifespan that ranges from 300 to 400 years, which is, we all know, that is for tortoise. Tortoise having the lifespan from 300 to 400 years. As well as one more example we can count here, that is a bowhead whale, which has a lifespan of 150 to 180 years. As well as the parrots also survive up to 140 years. In the case of plants, that lifespan, that is also variable. It ranges to thousands of years. So, plants like a banyan tree, peepal tree, and all the trees having the lifespan, that means till natural death, they have a lifespan of 1000 years. The largest lifespan till known, that is of a red pine tree, is 3000 to 4000 years. So we already know about the definition of reproduction. Now we'll deal about the types of reproduction. we all know, as the name says, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Now we are going to differentiate in between the asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. The very first is, asexual reproduction only requires one single parent. And if there is only involvement of one parent, that means there is no fusion of gamete takes place. No formation of gametes as well as no fusion of gametes takes place. So the first point is, it only requires one parent, and the second point is, it do not involve gametic fusion. On the other hand, for the process of sexual reproduction, there is always requirement of two individuals of opposite gender. One is considered as male, another one is considered as female. In some of the monoderms, in some of the bacterial, we can say as positive strain and negative strain. These positive and negative strain forms their specific gametes, and after that the gametic fusion takes place and resulted the progeny will develop. So the first point in sexual reproduction, that is, there is always involvement of two individuals, and the second one is, there is always gametic fusion takes place. Now we see the third point in asexual reproduction, that is the type of division in the animals, in the organisms which mainly performs asexual reproduction, that is mitotic division. So only mitotic division takes place in asexual reproduction. On the other hand, for sexual reproduction, mitotic division and meiotic division, both type of divisions are required. For gamete formation, meiotic division required, and for the further developmental process of embryo as well as zygote as well as all the different cells, always mitotic division takes place. So we can differentiate as the asexual reproduction only requires mitotic division. On the other hand, the sexual reproduction requires mitotic division as well as meiotic division both. The last point of differentiation is, as there is only requirement of one parent and there is no chances of gametic fusion, that means all the resultant progenies are as identical to their parent body. That is why these identical offsprings are called as clones, just because these are totally identical to their parent body. Basically, the term clone stands for the progeny or the individual which is genetically as well as morphologically similar to parent organisms. So those are clones. On the other hand, just because here meiosis takes place, just because here is involvement of two different individuals, that is why there is fusion of two different types of chromosomes, and for that recombination takes place, and just as a result of recombination, always chances of variation that is high. So just because there is gametic fusion takes place, recombination and chances of variation that is maximum in the case of sexual reproduction. So the differences in between asexual reproduction and sexual reproductions are that asexual reproduction that always involves one parent, no involvement of gametes, no formation of gametes, no involvement of gametic fusion. Only the type of division will be mitotic division, and always clones are formed which are genetically and morphologically similar to their parents. On the other hand, for sexual reproduction, there is always involvement of two individuals. That is why always gamete formation takes place, always gametic fusion takes place. There is requirement of both type of division processes, mitosis as well as meiosis, and just because gametic fusion, all the offsprings, just because of the recombination, these are having variations. So in the next video, we will see different types of asexual reproduction in detail. Thank you.